Alrighty, hello everybody, welcome back. We are continuing our work on Artag Rise. It is Monday. Cool. Okay, so what do we got going on here? I figured I will turn this beginning area into more of a destroyed test chamber to justify why the characters would teleport out of here. Maybe. Let's see. Let's play around with it. That is walls. Beautiful. So many tiles. Okay, now where's my ground tile? That's my ground tile. Uh-oh. Um, hmm. Well, wait a minute. If I did this, I remember I lost the tiles because I accidentally deleted the tile layers. Does that mean every other level is fucked? It's not. Okay. Now, I suppose that's a good thing because, whew, losing all this would suck. Okay, I suppose I need to go into here and we need to get ourselves the tile reclaimed. Let's see. So this one's going to be the second one. It's going to be corners and sides. And then this is concrete. And we go to paint, paint terrains, concrete. Okay, that's for collapsing it, right? No, that's for moving it down. Okay. So we're gonna select every tile that belongs in here. Actually, what the heck? That's soil. I need this one. This one. Just gonna select this. Beautiful. Bam. Mm-hmm. That's looking good. Okay, so that should give us back the ability to paint this tile. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. So we're gonna layer some stuff here. Cool. Okay, what do we usually use for backgrounds here? We have base, cave background. Base is this one. Okay, what else do we have? Metal mesh. Sure, that actually kind of works. Oh, that's cool. Hmm. What else we got? We got panels. Okay, it's a little too cluttered. So let's roll back. Actually, you know what? I think it's a little too cluttered also because of the magnitude of sprites. Here we go. Just declutter this place a little bit. Okay. Cool. You know what I'm thinking? Maybe we can work on a couple of challenge maps. Get the ball rolling this way. Okay, level ID is this to be 030. Cool. Okay. Take the walls. Mm-hmm. Can add the generic spinner, rotator. Let's add a saw, 128. Let's enable the grid for a sec. Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Okay. Now that's going to be spinning around. We're going to take this, place it up there for the time being. Let's see what we got. I need a controller. I don't have a controller. Oh boy. Where is the closest controller? Interesting. I actually don't know. Can I use keyboard and mouse? I should be able to. Oh, I see a controller. There we go. Come on. There we go. Okay. Hey, hey. Good day, Vishal. Okay, I have an idea of what we can do here. So I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna delete or move those pieces. Okay. Okay, not bad. So maybe what we can do is do this. Looks a little weird. Might be also a little too challenging. We'll see. Okay. Let's go over here. Erase. We're gonna erase this. Oh. Yo, man, gotta select a tile to erase. How dare I try to erase it? Okay, shift. There we go. And then here, we're actually gonna increase the thickness of the wall. This is not gonna be annoying at all. Okay. Ah. Should be able to just walk through it. Ooh. This game should run on mobile devices as well. Maybe. It's not really too complex. I don't see why it wouldn't. Okay. I'm gonna take one of these saw blades and I'm gonna reduce the range, the range of the shape just a little bit. So there's a tiny bit more of an overlap. What is that screen bending effect? A post-processing shader. Ah, come on. Woo! Oh, damn. Okay. What should we do, just generally speaking here? I feel like we should add a challenge of getting up here. For the sole purpose of getting up here. And then flipping a switch. You think you create short video covering it? I think there's plenty of tutorials out there already. It's just full screen shader. I just use visual shaders. Like I didn't code the effect. Visual shaders and just various nodes. You can get the screen data, which is the rendered frame, using a texture node in the visual shader, and just mess around with the UVs. Okay, so this is where we're gonna place the laser mounted, and then inside of it, laser mounted end. And we're not gonna make it a part of the switch. Switch. Okay. The switch is going to be toggling. What is it? Trigger targets? Yes. We're going to make it trigger the laser mounted. So now the end goal is to get to that switch, flip it. By the way, it's not really required that it spins that fast. Yo! Good day, 50 Cent. Damn it. Okay. I don't know if it's actually possible. Come on now. Oh, okay. If I just held for a second there, it would have worked. Ah, Super Meat Boy like game. That's right. Okay. It'd be hilarious if you rage of your own game. I've done enough of that. See, I gotta be careful though, because if I rage at my own game, that means whoever's gonna be playing it's gonna be raging twice as much. Because I know the ins and outs of the mechanics. Like I had the experience of having somebody try the game out, and they're like, "Man, I can't play this shit. This is too difficult." It's like, what are you talking about? You just gotta go this, here, and then do this fucked up maneuver around the saw blade, and then you're done. They're looking at me like, the hell's wrong with you? Okay. So getting to this part is a little tricky. Also, if the player stands here, they're actually still going to be in the path of a blade. So I think I'll just do this. Lower that down a bit. And then we'll do that. The whole idea behind this game spanned off when we were playing Super Meat Boy, and we figured, this game looks fun. Wouldn't it be interesting if it had co-op in it? Okay. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Come on now. You play making co-op? Yeah, absolutely. If you're playing solo, the second character just kind of mimics a move set, and if you're playing in co-op, then the second player controls the second character. Hey. Well, look at that. Well, now. Okay. Ah! Damn it. And now we're back here again. Come on, don't do this to me. Hey. Okay. Great visual effects. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, come on. Don't screw this up. Whoop. Okay. There we go. So it's possible. Yes. Okay, beautiful. Fantastic. I think I'm not going to punish the player too much more. We'll just place the exit right here. That's perfectly fine. This is challenging enough. Holy crap. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. We got it. What if we try to record it and then see what can be changed? Record it as in, what, like pre-record a path and then see what obstacles to place around it? Whew, okay. This is perfect. Leave that here. That's level ID of 30. Cool. All right. So we can close this up. That's good. Close this. Close that. Okay, and right. Let's get another template going. Spawn off some ideas. Save as 31. Should we do another spiraling challenge? Well, technically, I do have an idea for something. Let's say this is where the players start. And then they're going to go this way. Then up the map. How many levels planned? No particular number. Just going to create as far as I have ideas. The primary goal here is to tell a story anyways. Okay. I still understand why in Godot scene and prefabs are the same. Well, prefab and scene is just a label. It's a scene is just a collection of nodes. That's all you really have to think about it. Okay, so we're gonna get a path. Can I get a grid? Thank you. There we go. As a matter of fact, you know what? No, we have a special path that we can use here. We have the saw path, right? Generic path follower, saw blade path auto draw. Yes, that's what we want. I'm gonna place that right here. Come on, can I draw? Can I drag you? No. Did I lock you? Where the heck is this thing? It's not locked. Saw blade path. There we go. Just place that right there. Noise. And then we can go over here. Nice. There we go. And then you can see that the tool script is just going to draw the path for us automatically. Beautiful. All right, and then we have auto populator. Saw path auto draw. Utility spawn X follower saw blades. There we go. That's perfect. We have the speed, saw scale. Now this isn't a tool script. We can make it a tool script. It runs create blades, and then it queues itself free. I guess we don't have to make it a tool script. That should be fine. Okay. So let's go back here. Give that a test. And big fat nada. Now why is that? That's 021. 031. Oh, it's right here. What's happening here? Interesting. Well, the blade's right there. But that doesn't quite seem right. Also, the path doesn't seem to be present. Let me try to run this without. Yeah, what the heck? It's right here. We have another level that has this tool working. Now, was it actually working, or did I imagine it? Where is it? 23. Yes. So, we see the saw blades here, or the paths, and they are there. So, what gives? Let me try this again. New curve. Let's do this. Place a point right here. Yeah, there we go. That works. Okay, now if we do this. Yeah, nice. Okay, so now we instance saw utility spawn X follower saw blades. We do this. And there we go. So that works. So now instead of 6, we can do like 24. Nice. We can do like 36. We could adjust the speeds as well. Nice. We can create some sort of a dispenser sprite, so the saw blades are not just coming out of nowhere. Okay. Woo! Oh, we can just fit right there. Interesting. Well, that's where we can place our first obstacle. Be like, yeah, have fun hugging the wall. Okay, there is also a problem right here. Oh god, I just came up with an evil thing. Oh, this is going to be totally evil. I'm going to place this here. And then I'm going to place a thing right here and here. And then we're going to instantiate laser. Okay. We're going to have to use a smaller grid spacing. Laser mounted end. And then we're going to take that laser mounted. We're going to place another one here. All right, now what can we do here? We're going to make one of the lasers be on, and then we should have an object that we've made earlier, a utility object that can toggle a target at a certain time interval. Let's see. Take level mechanics, utility, trigger, counter, trigger pattern loop. Player count trigger, count pre-recorded character path. Delayed target triggering, invisible target counter. Oh, invisible target counter? No. This one counts how many times it's been triggered, so it can trigger something else when a proper count is reached. Propagate trigger, set trigger overheat, set target overheat. Spawn X follower saw blades, trigger screen shake. I think trigger pattern loop is what we need here. So you can place it right here. So it's gonna have two targets. What the? Oh, trigger targets. Well, hold on a second. Is this our porting process leftover issue? Seems like it doesn't know what data type it uses. Trigger targets, yes it is. Okay. So array of node paths, toggle targets, also an array of node paths, and then this is going to be an array of floats. I think this will work. Let's return back here. So two targets, laser mounted, and then the laser mounted 2. The time pattern is going to be 2 units, so it's going to be is it in seconds? It might be in seconds. Let's do 2 seconds on, 2 seconds off. Okay. Yes. Nice. Cool. So that works. Make it 1.5. Okay. Now, there's got to be a reason to go down here. I think the reason is going to be that there's a switch here. Oh, okay. Switch, yes. Place it right here. Beautiful. What is this switch going to do? The switch is going to open the passage here. we'll unlock this. We'll take some of these spikes. And then this switch is going to be controlling these lasers. So that's laser mounted 3. Okay. And that laser has to be on. And I also had an idea to place some spikes right here so that the player has to jump over to get to the switch rather than just like walking over like nothing's there. Yes. Ooh. That's tough. Nice. Ooh. Okay. Might have to remove that top spike. Or just drop it down. Nah, let's just remove it. That's good. Nice. Okay, so what do we got here? Nice. That's all there is to it. Okay, so we want to avoid having large spaces where it's just waiting for something to happen. So I suppose I'm going to take this and say you got to slide down on the left. Then you got to switch to the right. And what do we got here? Okay. Take this. We're going to place some spikes or saw blades. No, that's not the right one. That's a projectile. This is going to be annoying. Yeah, this part is where you're just standing there and waiting. Oof. Zoltan, good day. Ooh. Okay. Ah. Okay. Don't hold the joystick, because you can do like a a long jump. I could do like this. Short ones. Oh, Jesus. Easy. Happy Easter and whatnot. Yeah. Oh! Yes! There we go. Okay. Now. Ah! Okay, well, we passed the first blade. I think the rest of them should be fairly doable. Okay. Oh! 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 Ah! Damn it. God forbid somebody listening to this in the headphones. What the hell's this guy doing? Oh! Jesus. There we go. Oh! Okay, easy. Dimitar's on the house. Ooh, easy. Oh, 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 damn it. Okay, that should be plenty of space. There we go. Oh, jeez. Oh, oh. That's... Damn it. Okay. Slow is the name of the game there. Okay, that's fine. We can just do... What, F5 is it? No, F3? Oh! Damn it. Okay. That's fine. Damn it. R. Son of a bitch, I can't test that area. Okay, so this is where we have to find out the timing. This is, I think, is going to be one of the tougher levels, because the amount of time that it takes to, just to give yourself the opportunity to learn the timing, or the amount of time you have to spend just to get to this laser section, just to learn the timing, is kind of brutal. So... Ah! Damn it. What kind of plugin are you making? Oh, is that still the title? Damn it. I forgot to change the title of the video. That was last stream. I made a plugin for converting a large amount of OBJ files into scenes with collisions on them. Because if you're setting up, let's say, a lot of static objects like props, and all you need is just like a scene with a collision and material, you have to spend like a whole bunch of time just clicking on the OBJ file, creating a new scene, clicking on the mesh, creating a triplanar collision, all that stuff. So I made a plugin that automates that for you. That, and also one that converts the, if you have a set of textures, like albedo, normal, roughness, metallic, you could just select all of them, press a button, and it creates a material for you. And populates all those textures. Why not GLTF or GLB? Why use OBJ? Well, it doesn't... Using GLTF doesn't change the fact that if I have 50 GLTFs, I have to have 50 scenes, right? Ah! Damn it. Okay, I know it's possible. Also, I didn't have to run through the entire level again. Damn it. Come on. Ooh. Okay, I need to actually see if that laser area is passable. I know it. I have a feeling it is. It's just I need to get the timing of the lasers right. Oh, come on. Okay, don't do the long jump. Also, don't get too close to the freaking saw blade. Dang it. Dang it. Son of a gun. Come on. Okay, I need to move my mouse in the place where I can just leave it in that part of the screen. Be like, boop. Oh yeah, one of the biggest problems with that I don't use GLTFs for large amounts of static objects is because the materials generated by the GLTF export are not... Oh god, come on. I can't edit them in Godot. I have to create a new separate material instance of it. And even then... Ah, damn it, almost. And that means that I'm going to end up with two materials. One is the GLTF material. One is the Godot's own native material. Which seems kind of pointless. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Damn it. Come on. You know what? I can actually just place it right there. Or not. Just gonna place the mouse a little bit higher. Ah! I haven't wanted to go to OBJs yet. Well, OBJs is the format that's been around for like literal decades. It's a really old format. Which is you know, doesn't store animations, but it also isn't super bloated. You can edit it in like a plain text file. Yes! Thank you! Oh my god. Alright. That works. What kind of nonsense shenanigans are we gonna place here now? You know what? I think that's enough. I don't think I'm gonna do too much. Although if I'm gonna reduce the length of the path now, it is going to be it's gonna likely throw a problem because it's gonna create a lot more saw blades along the path. Back in days working with Cinema 4D, but not in the game development. Every single engine that I've worked with so far uses OBJ as like the baseline format. It's like the simplest format. You can I even made like an OBJ object importer for GameMaker Studio. Super simple stuff, to be honest. Okay. So I don't think I'm gonna torture the player anymore. Let's just fill this in. Yeah, there's certain components to OBJ format that you don't get to benefit from. You have no animations, right? OBJs don't store animation data, which is, it's like, okay, well, fair enough. That's why OBJs are primarily used for like static components. Questions still remain, no escape. Sounds good. All right, there we go. All right, so that's going to be the whole challenge. Get through this, you'll be fine. Actually, this is looking good. Oh. Ah. That does seem a little weird. It's like the player gets killed by touching thin air. Doesn't seem right. Steven! Good day. Oh, easy. Just gonna get a haircut there. Oh, damn it. Really? Let me double check something. Visible recursion shape. Yeah, that doesn't seem unreasonable. Let's run this cell. Blue. Da boo dee da boo die. Oh. Right. Okay. So we know the laser is passable. I'm pretty sure this level is passable. I do not want to test it any further. This does not look like a plugin. I know. I forgot to change the name of the stream. Okay. And you know what else? I'm going to go through some of these levels while we're here. And then we're going to take a look at which levels complain about stuff. So I'm going to have to fix that stuff. There we go. Generic spinner. Generic spinner, TSCN. What's it looking for? TSCN. Okay, object level mechanics. Utility. I don't think it's a utility thing. Okay, that's 10. So it's objects, hazards, obstacles, generic spinner. Objects, hazards, and obstacles. That doesn't make sense though. It's not a hazard. It's a level mechanic. Now, how much are we going to break when we move this? Generic path follower, generic spinner, rotator. Let's give a new folder called generic. Generic X-curve follower. Sure. Alrighty. Let's see here. So this is objects, generic spinner, rotator. Beautiful. Open anyway. Ready? Oh dear God. Okay. That is a level. Now, that didn't break anything else, right? No, not by the looks of it. Generic spinner. We can find the replacement now. Okay. Toggle platform. Where is toggle platform? There it is. This is where we gotta flip a bunch of stuff. Oh, laser mounted. Yeesh. Hey, nice. Generic spinner. Toggle platform. Yes. Oh boy. Okay, that's where we get into the recent ones. Ah, man. I overslept today. Got brain fog again. Okay. Come on now. Can we close over everything? Close all tabs. Close other tabs. Close all tabs. Cool. Okay. So that's enough. We got 2 levels to begin with. That should be okay. So these levels are pretty indescript. They're just made with the floor tile and the obstacles. And the whole idea is that we can, at any point in time, we could just go into this folder of level ideas, grab a level relevant to the area, and then paint it over with the relevant tiles. All right, so here we are. Get this level. What do we need here? So we have this background that we painted. Should we try doing another one with even larger chunks of stone? There's a certain chunk of information that I'm dreading doing, and that's drawing out all the comic character representations. That could be a lot of fun, though. A lot of fun. What could be a lot of fun? Drawing the largest stone? join the comic stuff. Yeah, that might actually be a good point. Hmm. Hmm. Dang it, man. It's work that has to be done, but I don't want to do it. God damn it. It's not difficult work. Me every day. Yeah. Yeah. One of the comic pieces is for the scripted event when characters get teleported out. Hmm. Which kind of makes me think, is there supposed to be a custom dialogue node for it? I don't want to do a custom dialogue node. Hmm. Let me take a look at the to-do list. I gotta be in the right headspace to do art. Right now, I feel like I'm just gonna try to wing it, or try to get over it, so to speak, and I'm gonna end up producing garbage. Player detection laser. More vines designs, shallower. Hmm. I need to defogify my brain. I think I'm too much in the haze right now. Uh, right. You know what? Let me take an hour off to see if I can get my brain in order. Because unfortunate unfortunate byproduct or product of oversleeping is that your brain is just in the middle of this fog. I can't concentrate too much. I'm surprised I've managed to make the 2 levels. Um, okay, let me take an hour, and I'll be back in an hour, and we'll give this a try. Okay, cool. All right. Plus, it's been an hour already, so I think that's a good point to wrap up the vid. Okay.